What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So you've been following my channel for a while. You know, a couple weeks ago I did a video where I was doing a test of my truck with diagnostics tool, and all of a sudden my truck just died on me. And so it turned out I had a bad battery, which luckily I was under warranty. So I took it back to the auto parts store. They exchanged me. It actually didn't cost me a thing at all, but it'd really been nice to know my battery's going bad. So I picked this up. This is the FOXWELL BT705 Plus battery analyzer. So this thing's gonna let me know if the battery's bad, if it's my alternator or whatever, because even though I had a bad battery, it does not mean that I didn't have something else causing that battery to get all jacked up. For example, maybe my alternator is bad. This alternator in this truck's not been touched in a while, so I'd like to know if this thing could tell me if it's time to make that change. So anyway, I want to open this up. I want to show you the details of it. We're going to go through all the process of it. Let's get started now. Alright, so I got the tailgate down. Let me grab my handy dandy case knife. It's my favorite knife. First off, thumbs up on the carrying case. Nice job on that, FOXWELL. And open it up. Inside has a user's manual guide, I should say, quick start guide, and they do have a diagnostics tool it talks about as well. So I've not seen their diagnostics tool. Something I'd love to check out. Here's the cable. Let me untie it real quick. Nice long, looks like about 6 foot of cable, which that's important for the inside. Obviously you have these clamps. So let's get around the front of the truck. Let's see what this thing's made of. Alright, so I'm around front, and I want to put these on to get a good test of it. Right there, it powers up right off the bat. Let's go to the battery. Now ask me if in vehicle, out of vehicle. Obviously this is in vehicle. Hit enter. Regular. This is asking for the type of battery. Looks like there's just 4 different types. I'm gonna go regular. So when you go through this, CC stands for cold cranking amps. CA is cranking amp standard. MCA is for down here is for marine. JIS is Japanese. DIN's for EN's for Europe, and SAA obviously is the Society of Automotive Engineers. So those are just the different codes in case you're curious. Mine is a CA928. So we're gonna say up. Yeah, right on top of my battery it says 928, so that's what we're gonna go with. And all right, just like that, it's testing. Good recharge. Shows it right at 12 volts. Tells you all kinds of stuff about it. So that's good since it's a brand new battery. Back. And then we can do the cranking as well. But that's what's important about the 6 foot cord is obviously we're going to be inside the truck to do that. All right, so I'm inside my truck. I'm going to hit enter, and it says please start engine. Gives you 30 seconds to start the engine, and then right there it just tells you cranking is normal. We're going to go back, and let's go to charging. So I'm increasing my RPMs. I'm right around 2,500 right now. turn high beams and blower motor on, idle engine. You see no problem. So that's exactly what I wanted to find out. A couple other things this thing has I want to show you. So if I can go over the system, it just tells you, all the different things: battery test, cranking test, charging test. And then go over to the voltage, communicating the system, solid, right? 15 volts right now. And then if you go, last option is just view, where it just kind of tells you everything about the battery measurement and all that stuff. I want to go into view some, look around. So obviously it just tells you good recharge, voltage, cranking voltage, and how long it took to crank, voltage at no load, voltage with load, ripple peak, no problems. That's a good thing. Alright gang, hopefully this video is helpful to you. Pretty cool device, very simple to use. I do like the storage case as well. And anyway, I'll drop a link down for the description of this. If this video is helpful to you, please hit the like button. It does support my channel quite a bit, which is my only opportunity right now in life. Had some issues go on personally, so it'd mean a lot to me if you could help me out by hitting that like button and subscribe. If this content is helpful to you, that would mean a lot. But anyway, I hope you guys are doing great. Hopefully this helps you and live. And I want to tell you thank you for watching the channel, and have a great day.